Hello guys, good afternoon. My name is Kael and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, for today's video, we are here po in Urban Deco Homes Commonwealth para ipakita sa inyo yung dress-up unit namin. This one is a 30.60 square meters. So if you're looking for pet-friendly, budget-friendly condominium and very accessible guys, dito po yan sa Urban Deco Homes Commonwealth. So tara, tingnan natin. Napagpasok mo, no? So this serves as your living area. Okay, so you can put your sofa here. Tapos in front of that, your wall-mounted TV. Yeah. So hanap na lang kayo ng furnitures, guys. It's either online or sa mga malls. Yan. And this is your toilet and bathroom. So para makita nyo, guys, kung gaano kasimple lang yung design na to, no? Yan. So actual turnover, of course, you would have your shower head. Of course, ito mga ito nakikita nyo. Kasama yan. Yung sink, yung toilet mismo. Alright? Others prefer to have it divided by a glass door. Pwede naman guys. It's your music, your choice. Ayan. So, that's your toilet and bathroom. And then, here, diba sabi ko kanina, 30.60 square meters. Yung bathroom kanina na pinuntahan natin, that's 3.44 square meters. Now, your dining, your living area, your kitchen area, this is 14.36 square meters. So, yan. So, diba guys, just right beside your kitchen sofa, you can put your dining here. Again, others would prefer to have a divider. Pwede naman po yun. Yan. And then, in front of that, guys, makita natin dito yung kitchen area. Yan. For the actual turnover, kasama yung nasa baba, pero yung cabinet sa baba, pero yung kitchen top cabinets, hindi yan po kasama. Pero again, I'm just giving you an overview, no? Kung paano siya pwedeng lagyan ng design or ng mga cabinets. Yan. And then, yung nakikita natin guys, okay, punta tayo dito. So, dun tayo pumasok kanina guys. So, yan. So, yung mga nakikita natin ng mga walls, ng mga painting sa wall, ano yan, pwede nyo siyang bilhin online or yung mga accents. Yan. You can put your mirror here. Tignan naman natin guys yung bedroom. So, ito yung kanang bedroom guys, no? Para may idea kayo. Nagkasya dito ang queen size bed. Yan. And then, again, may mga paintings sa wall, accents. Yan. Pwede nyo siyang bilhin online. Okay. This one is 6.4 square meters. You can put a mirror here. And yung cabinet mo, up to you kung paano mo siya gustong ipwesto. Ayan, paglabas mo ng kanan na kwarto, so puntahan natin yung kabila. Okay, so the other room also has a size of 6.4 square meters. Yan. Tapos, yan siya. Kasya din dyan definitely yung queen size bed. Meron na rin siyang provision ng aircon. Okay. Tapos yung window niya guys, owning window yan. Parang ganyan. So, ito naman yung view palabas. Yan siya guys. Simple lang, diba guys? Pero again, nasa sa'yo yun kung gusto mo siyang mas lalong pagandahin kasi pwede naman siyang i-renovate. Now, for the renovation part, we will create another vlog for that para at least may idea kayo kung magkano yung babayaran nyo, ganyan. Okay? Guys, thank you again for watching. Please like and subscribe. Salamat po!